Hey y'all. So this is biteable. And we're gonna go ahead. I already made a sign in, so I'm just going to log in. And I guess it remembered my password and stuff, which is pretty cool. So to do this without any watermark on it, you can buy something. We're not going to do that. We're going to say create new video. Now there are several different kinds of options for videos. Advertising, explainer, presentation, intro, or slideshow. I'm going to show you guys presentation. Because this is just like probably the kind that you would use most in your classroom. Although the other ones are a lot of fun too. Like the advertising one is really fun. Okay, I'm gonna close that. That's enough of that. So the advertising one, this one, is a lot of fun to do. The main pull of this site is that it's really easy, but it's also very professional looking. I think that's the main draw of it. So at the beginning, they have, like when you click on what kind you want, you go through and they give you several slides. Like right here, they give you 12 slides, kind of already positioned, so you don't have to start from scratch if you don't know where to start. So it gives you like some graphs and little logos and animations, things like that. And you just like type in your text here, and it tells you, how many characters it would fit well in this scene. And then when you preview it, it goes here. So if it'll go, this takes a while. Just like when you actually create your video, I'm not going to show it all, because when I'll just show you one of the videos I made at the end, part of the way through, because when you click, so you have your timeline here that you add your scenes, and then you change colors. You can pick a color palette, and then here you change the soundtrack that you want to play over your video, and then at the end you watch your video. But the program does it for you, so you don't have to necessarily edit things together. The program already does that for you. So that means that when you preview it, or when you like submit it or whatever and put it into the program to compile and make look nice, basically, it takes a good couple of minutes. I think it says about a minute per screen in order to make the rest of the, like, put it together and make it look nice. So this would be really good for students. It's just a nice alternative to PowerPoint. Here, I'll show you what this is while I'm talking. You can change the colors, which is cool. It's a nice alternative to PowerPoint, because PowerPoint honestly isn't the most exciting thing ever. We'll play music. And like there's a bunch. There's a lot. PowerPoint just isn't very exciting. So if they want to make a little video, instead of making a PowerPoint, and then that would be good. The other really good thing is that with the text, you only have 50 characters available to you. Well, you can type more than 50, but it just says how many is recommended. So it teaches them the value of like making presentations with only a few words on it, and then speaking in order to fill in the gaps. So I think that's really good too. And it goes at a pretty good pace. And the little animations are just really fun. And it kind of, because it's like a video and there's something going on the screen behind them, this might be useful for students who are having a harder time who are having a hard time getting over the idea of being at the center of attention, standing up in front of the class and talking, because there's something going on behind them. So the kids might not be paying as much attention to them as they are paying attention to the video, which for them might be nice. So I'm gonna show you. Oops, I'm out of time. I'll show you part of this. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, there's a big old watermark right there, which you can upgrade to download the video and also upgrade to remove the watermark, which we're not going to do. But it's a very professional looking video otherwise, and granted it's stock footage. Sorry, this was just one I was playing around with, and I find it funny, but apparently nobody else does, which is fine. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just think it's a really cute way and very, very easy with lots and lots of options, and both of those things are really, really good for kids.